Hi friends, welcome to this channel. And in this video, I will show you how you can delete your profile picture in WhatsApp very easily. Please friends, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, make sure to put your likes, and also write your comments after watching the video. So let us get started with you. Open the WhatsApp app on your device. And then you'll need to go to Settings. Next, under Settings, you will need to go to your name at the top. And under your photo, you can find the word Edit. You click on it. Now in the top right corner, you'll also have the word Edit. Click on that. And at the bottom, you'll find the very last item, Delete Photo. And then you will need to confirm your action. And so, as you can see, your image photo will be deleted immediately. That's the simple way, friends, you can delete your profile picture in WhatsApp app. I really hope this video helped you and was useful to you. Please put your likes, write your comments. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. See you later.